is going to come in. The gingerbread man's going to follow this path. Whoa. Where is he going with this path? Where's the gingerbread man going? And then he's going to go in here?
Yes.
And what's going to happen in here?
Someone lifts something up and traps him.
And then traps him in there. Okay. Who else has a gingerbread trap? Let me see your gingerbread trap. Yes. What?
Go over here
Yeah.
to the city.
He goes into the city, and then how does he get trapped in the city?
This is a big stair.
Yeah, he goes up the stairs, and then what?
He goes up the stairs and then gets caught in here.
And he can't get out? Okay, that sounds great. Thank you.
Because the stairs are too high.
The stairs are too tall. Okay, great. Who else has a gingerbread trap? Who can tell me about their gingerbread trap? Can you tell me about your trap? What's going on here?
So, if he blasts himself 2 times,
Yeah.
he goes from here. He walks in the middle of the blaster, then he
Yeah.
blasts himself.
Okay. Does anybody else have a gingerbread trap? Do you have one? Can you explain it? Not yet? You want me to come back? Okay, I'll come back.
Mine is like really changed all.
Yeah, let me go see who else has a gingerbread trap.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, we have a lot of gingerbread traps. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh boy, what's going on this gingerbread trap? That's a fancy trap you're making. How are you going to trap him with that?
If he steps on like the orange stuff and these and the black stuff,
Yeah.
like all of it will explode.
They'll all explode. Oh boy. All right, thank you. Yes, you can. Wow, you have a gingerbread trap? Show me your gingerbread trap.
It's right here.
It's in the kaleidoscope. Let me see.
And stick your put your like do that.
Let me see. What's going to happen if he goes in there?
He's gonna get stuck.
Oh, he's going to get stuck. Okay.
With all the mirrors.
With all the mirrors, he's going to get confused?
Yeah.
All right, that sounds great. That is quite a gingerbread trap you've got there. All right, let's see what other traps we have in here. Wow, we got a lot of traps in here today. All right, I'm coming to see the wooden trap now. Wow, how's the gingerbread man trap going over here? Oh, it's getting better and better.
We don't want to get out.
Okay, show me how to trap him. Wow. And that's going to trap him right there when the triangle falls on him, huh? All right. Thanks, guys.